Curious about how artificial intelligence is transforming data into actionable insights and intelligent, future-ready data systems? Welcome to the AI Plus Data Certification by AI CERTs, your gateway to understanding AI-driven data analysis, intelligent data processing, advanced analytics, and how AI enhances accuracy, automation, and scalability across modern data and enterprise ecosystems. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide, from business and healthcare to finance, education, and advanced technology. But without a clear understanding of how AI integrates into data pipelines, analytics workflows, and data-driven systems, the full potential of intelligent insights, automation, and AI-powered innovation remains out of reach for many professionals. This certification covers the essential skills required to work with AI-driven data systems and transform raw data into reliable, actionable insights. You will learn data visualization techniques, data quality management and bias mitigation, statistical modeling, and deep learning for data processing. The course also covers big data technologies, enabling you to manage, analyze, and scale data across modern enterprise environments. Together, these capabilities equip you to build trustworthy data pipelines, support advanced analytics, and drive informed decision-making using AI-powered data solutions. Designed for data analysts and data scientists, business intelligence professionals, IT specialists and system integrators, data engineers, as well as students and fresh graduates, the AI Plus Data Certification equips learners with practical, industry-relevant skills to work with AI-driven data systems. The program helps participants build strong foundations in data analytics, visualization, and data quality, apply advanced AI techniques to real-world data challenges, and prepare for high-demand roles in modern, scalable, and data-centric enterprise environments. This certification builds practical AI and data literacy, enabling confident participation in data-driven and AI-focused discussions, effective collaboration with data scientists, analysts, and engineering teams, and informed decision-making when designing, managing, and optimizing intelligent data systems across modern enterprise environments. Backed by global standards, AI CERTs certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Start your journey into the future of AI-powered data and analytics with confidence. Join the AI Plus Data Certification to gain essential insights into working with intelligent data systems, advanced analytics, and AI-driven data processing, knowledge that is vital for every future-ready data professional and organization. You can find more details in the downloadable course flyer below. Ready to explore the world of AI-powered application development and intelligent software solutions with our certification? Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.